Okay, first things first, get our image, take this one, and all we want is the grass area, so take the cropping tool, which is just here, and drag this down just to the grass area that we want, and then just press enter, and that's it, it's cropped. So now we go over to the background and we duplicate that layer, click OK. So we've got two copies. This is non-destructive editing basically, so you never mess up the first image that you had. And the next thing we need to do is take our text tool and just click onto there and type grass. You can see it's very small, but that doesn't matter. Click enter. So that's done. Now go to edit, free transform, and you'll see that you can grab your text, make it as big as you like, and because it's Photoshop uses vector fonts, all the fonts are vector based, they don't pixelate when you make them bigger. So there we are, that's grass. So press enter again, or drag this down. You can see the word is actually missing, disappeared. Foreground layer off, you can see where the word is. Now we take another tool called the clipping mask. You get that by clicking on the background, create a clipping mask. So now if we turn this off, you'll see that we've got the word grass with grass in the image. So now if we save that and call it, this is the one I've done earlier, grass 3, and we save it as a JPEG because we're going to use this on a website or a poster. Save it. There you go. Don't worry about this checkerboard background. It doesn't show up in when you use it on a document. So if we look now for a document, insert a picture from file, grass 3. And you can see it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's how you can get an image into text using Photoshop. Pretty straightforward, pretty useful. Okay, so we've got a text with an image inside, but you might want to improve the way it looks. So click on Effects, drop shadow, and we can put a shadow on there. Take this out of the way so we can see what's going on. We've got drop shadow, put a drop shadow on there. We can make the distance greater so it stands out a bit more. We can contour the words so they're a little bit of a put an inner shadow on. That makes it look more like a button. We just save that again. Grass with drop shadow. Save that. Okay. So there you can see the difference between the drop shadow and just a plain one. So there's a lot of effects you can do with Photoshop and text images. Have a fiddle around with it, have some fun, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.